Okay, so in this case, we now have a right triangle, and we're trying to find a missing side. We know it's right. So the sides are labeled 5, 12, and x. The first thing we need to do is figure out what is our hypotenuse. What is our hypotenuse right here, C? So we look at our drawing and we look for the right angle. This angle is acute, this angle is acute, and this is our right angle. It makes that L shape or perpendicular. So across from it is our hypotenuse C. Well, in this case, C is just labeled as x. That means the other two sides are the legs, A and B. So we've labeled the diagram with A, B, and C. The next thing we need to do is start out with our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And you need to write this every time. I'll repeat that. You need to write the formula every time and show all your work. So write the formula, substitute your values. A, in this case, A is 5. So we're going to take 5 and we're going to make a square out of it. That's going to give you, that's going to give you 25. B, so we're going to take B and add to it. B is 12. There. 12 squared is 144. Now, when we take the sum, when we add the two smaller squares, we should get a large square. So 25 and 144, 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 100. And that should be equal to side C squared. So 169 equals C squared. Now that means if I were to make a huge square off this side, the area would be 169. We want to know just the side. So if we want to know just the side, let's get rid of that, we need to do some inverse operations. And it's a good thing we just did this. So to get C and not C squared, we do the opposite. We take the square root. And in this case, C is 13.